Good day mga partners. Get your 10 over tokens daily and a potential airdrop. Ito ay exclusively for verified OKX user and Over Protocol users. Over Protocol is in partnership with OKX. They launched the Season 16 Cryptopedia campaign. Don't worry partners, it's all free. Kung di ka pa user ni OKX and Over Protocol, check the links in this video description and you must create your wallets now. Meron din tayong ginawang tutorials kung paano mag-create ng wallet ni OKX. Check nyo na lang sa ating videos. Then, let's get started. In your Web3 Home app, select on Discover. From the app, choose Cryptopedia. Look for Over Protocol. Then, select Over Protocol, tap on it. We must need to complete all the given quests. In order to complete that, hit on Start. Get started and connect over testnet. Enter your Over Wallet email. Kung ano yung email na ginamit mo sa Over Protocol, yun din ang gagamitin mo dito. Verify mo lang yung email if necessary. Pagkatapos niyan is, if you don't have a Over Wallet yet, you can select the Create Over Wallet. Just next to continue. Open your Over Wallet app. Start the quest. Then confirm the request. Back to OKX. Wait for the confirmation of verified or verified confirmation. Gaya nakita nyo sa screen. After, pwede na natin i-back sa Cryptopedia or simply minimize the tab so that we can do the next quest. For the next quest, tap on Start Now. Once it's done, hit on Verify. Remember, claim your 10 over daily rewards every 10 a.m. UTC or 6 p.m. Philippine Standard Time. And if di pa ma-verify ang quest, after na-verify ka, ginawa mo na lahat ng quest, close nyo muna ang app and reopen ulit. It would work. Don't forget to follow for more and see you next time. Bye-bye.